Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time, you're welcome. Today is all about Geniuswigs. They sent this crystal lace with melted hairline and durable lace wigs for a review, guys. Let me be honest with you. Immediately I saw this wig, I was in love. I was in love with it because everything about it is just so perfect. The wig is already pre-plucked, pre-bleached for you, so you don't need to stress yourself. Once you get this wig, you throw it on your head and go. I love everything about this wig, and it's not stressful. Combing it was so easy and no shading at all. The inside of the cap was well constructed. They added extra adjustable strap for you in case if you want it so tight on your head. See how the wig is bouncing. Today I'm going to be showing you one thing about crystal lace. Let's do the comparison. We are going to be showing you, this is the normal HD lace that you know, your almighty HD lace. Let's see our crystal lace and compare the both of them. So now I'm going to go ahead and place the HD lace first, then followed by our crystal lace. So guys, let's check this out so that you see it clearly for yourself. So the one I'm placing now is the crystal lace, and the one on the other side is the HD lace. As you can see from this comparison, that the HD lace is still visible while the crystal lace is invisible. It just melted onto my hand. So guys, anytime you want to buy wig, just go for the crystal lace because you don't need to stress yourself. Once you wear it, it will just blend on your head. So another thing we are going to check is the durability of this crystal lace. Let's check with that of our normal HD lace. So first I'm laying the HD lace with my got2b glue, spray it, then followed by the crystal lace. After that, I'm going to allow both of them to dry. After they dry, then I'll use same force to pull it out. Let's see how deformed either the crystal lace or that of the HD lace is going to be. So guys, what I observed after pulling both of them with same force is that our crystal lace remained clean and neat while the HD lace was deformed, like it was filled with glue and stiff. So let's quickly work on this hair. You can play with the hair because it came with full frontal. So I'm going to do my own style, so when you get yours you can as well do yours. I'm going to go ahead and play with it so that it will look different, to show you how the crystal lace is. Like when you are parting the lace, it just look as if you are parting on your natural hair. So guys, remember this wig is from Geniuswigs, and all information about this wig will be in the description box below. Do check it out and see for yourself. This wig is also available and affordable. So guys, let's do this together. So guys, I want to thank you for all your support. Thank you so much. I appreciate. Remember to check the description box of this video for all information on this wig. So guys, thank you so much. I love you. See you on my next video. Bye.